Hello, welcome to this class, guys. So let's look at yet other several examples to further increase the understanding of what we have learned under differentiation before we look at the trig functions. So let's solve this question here. So before we proceed with solving this question, let me ask you, what method do you think can work for this? If I'm watching our previous classes, you should know the exact method that should work for this one here. Of course, the exact method here is what? Product rule. Why? Because I'm seeing these two terms multiplying each other, being encased in a bracket. So I'm applying a product rule. Now let's now go back to your product rule initial concept that we know. So when it comes to product rule, we usually say that your first task is to call this one U, I'll call this one V. So let U, first task, let U to be equal to this first term, that's 2 plus exponential x, right? Now differentiate U with respect to x. I'll have du over dx as being equal to differentiate 2, that's 0, a constant term is 0. Differentiate s squared, I'll have, differentiate exponential x, I'll have still exponential x. This one is for you, for this. Also, let v to be this. So let v to be equal to exponential 3x plus 4 as for this case. Now differentiate v with x, I'll have dv over dx as being equal to, if I differentiate exponential 3x, I should have 3 exponential 3x. Now understand why I emphasize more on the shortcuts. This is now how, this is where we have to apply shortcuts now. If it is an identity shortcut now, you have to now start going through the long procedure of solving this man. So that's why I show you the shortcuts. This is where we apply it. So I expect that you should know how I got 3 exponential 3x. Now plus 4. 4 here is a constant term. On differentiating a constant term, I'll have 0. So on differentiating a constant term, I expect I'll have 0. So this 4 plus 4 is 0, is off. Now that's my first task. I've called this U, I've called this V, and I've differentiated them. Next task says now using what? Your product rule formula. So using product rule, we know that for product rule, the y over the x is equal to v du over dx plus u dv over dx. This is your formula for product rule. Master them, know them, so know when to use each of them. All right. This man is for product rule. From here now, proceeding from here, this is now equal to, what's v? V is exponential 3x plus 4, exponential 3x plus 4. This is for v. V du dx is exponential x, so I have exponential x plus, what's u? What's u? You said u is 2 plus exponential x plus, what's u? You said u is what? 2 plus exponential x, so I have 2 plus exponential x as my u into, what's the v dx? V dx is what? 3 exponential 3x. So this is my expression here. That's my value for the y over dx. I can leave my answer this way and I can choose to simplify further. But in this case here, it's proper you simplify further, right? So sorry, this one here is plus 4, not a part, is plus 4, like this. All right. From here, I'll have that dy over the x, is equal to exponential x times exponential 3x. I'll have exponential 4x plus exponential x times 4. That's 4 exponential x. This is a plus sign plus 3 exponential 3x times 2. That will give 6 exponential 3x plus 3 exponential 3x times exponential x. I'll have 3 exponential 4x. So I have this. So I have this one here. Next up, what do you observe from here? Next task. All right. If I want to from here, I can combine. I can create like terms, right? If I want to, yeah. Exponential 4x plus 3 exponential 4x. They can combine each other. This exponential 4x can combine exponential 4x. So creating like terms, I shall have exponential 4x plus this one here, 3 exponential 4x, right? Plus 4 exponential x plus 6 exponential 3x. This plus this will give 4 of it. So I'll have 4 exponential 4x plus 4 exponential x plus 6 exponential 3x. So I have this. If I want to, I can leave my answer this way. And if I still want to, I can factorize, right? Factorize if I want to. For me, I can say that 4 is common and bring out exponential x into exponential 3x plus 1, right? Plus 6 exponential 3x. I can still leave it this way. Say correct. What do you observe? 4 exponential x times 3 exponential x. I will have 4 exponential 4x plus this times 1 is this, right? So this is how I solve this particular problem. As you can see, if you want to, you can leave your answer this way. If you want to, you can go ahead and simplify. So but basically this is how I solve this particular problem.